Aren't you tired of eating that regular stew all the time? Every time you are frying your stew, tomatoes all the time. So let's make it different this time. Make that your Sunday rice to look different. Okay, first of all, we're going to be seasoning our fish. Use any fish of your choice. I'm using mackerel fish. Put it in the pot. Go ahead and season it very well with curry, pepper, onion, salt, seasoning, bouillon seasoning. Go ahead and season it very well, and then pour in some water to it, and then boil it. Allow it to cook. Allow that seasoning to enter inside. Then go ahead and chop your tomatoes. We're going to be using fresh tomatoes. Go ahead, just be generous with that tomato. Don't pity it. Okay, so yeah, because we're going to be using only this fresh tomato and red bell pepper and carrot. Just these three ingredients is what we are going to be using for this too, and then our protein added to it. So now our fish is done. Go ahead and add chicken to that water, seasoned water you use in making your fish. Go ahead and add it there. Go ahead and stir it very well. So we are going to be cutting our veggies right now. Although I'm using just carrot, we are going to be using only carrot to do this. So go ahead and cut your carrot. Have you liked this video yet? If you have not, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed and you would want to come back and watch me, you would want to receive notifications. eh, Excuse me. Anytime I upload my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notification so that anytime I upload, you are going to be the first to see my videos. So yeah, now we are done cutting them tomatoes, carrots, and red bell pepper. Go ahead and clean up your working space. And then the next thing, the chicken is done, we're going to be taking it out. After taking it out, go ahead and put the water away. Wash your pot, or maybe if you are using another pot, go ahead and put that pot on the fire. Put in your oil and go ahead and fry that fish we cooked before. Go ahead and fry it. After deep frying it, deep fry your chicken again inside the same oil. Go ahead and put it away. Then another thing you are going to do, go ahead and put that onions inside that oil. Yeah, go ahead and put your onions. Stir, 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 and stir, and stir, and stir. Turn it and turn it and turn it and turn it. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Continue turning it, continue turning it, continue. Oh yeah, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Turn and 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 turn. Go ahead and pour in your tomatoes. Okay, when you pour it, go ahead and turn it a little while. Then you are going to cover it and leave it and come back again to it. Okay, yeah. Now we're going to cover it and come back again. We now pour pepper to it. Go ahead. After pouring your pepper, go ahead and mix, turn it again. Go ahead and pour your bouillon seasoning. After that, go ahead and pour in some salt. Okay, after you pour it, go ahead and turn it and turn it and turn it. After turning it, go ahead and then cover it again. Remove the spoon and then cover it again. Allow it to boil, boil, boil. Come back again and turn it. Now you are going to pour that fish. By then you have already deboned the fish. So after you have deboned the fish, go ahead and pour it and turn it and turn it and turn it. Then you turn it for some time. You are going to do what again? Leave it and allow it to boil, boil, boil. Come back again and turn and turn and turn and turn. After turning it, go ahead and pour in the red bell pepper. After you pour it, go ahead and turn and turn and turn and turn. As you are turning it, make you shake whether ingredients done they okay. If your spices, if it's tasting good, then you are good to go. Go ahead and pour the chicken. Now the stew is getting ready. Are you seeing this delicious meal stew? Oh my god, it's not every time you blend and blend and blend and making stew all the time. No, make it different this time. After you eating this one, you will not be eating that regular stew again. You will be making this even all your family member will be asking you, make this stew again, we want it again. Then allow it to cook and cook and go ahead and turn it and turn it. Allow all the ingredients to enter to marry each other. Then pour the carrot. last. After you pour the carrot, go ahead and then turn off your stove, because we don't want that carrot to cook and soft. We don't want it to cook. So because we want to be, when we eat the rice, we are going to be, we want the carrot to do kakarum kakarum in our mouth. Okay, so go ahead and turn it and turn it and turn it. Now it's ready. Go ahead and off the light and dish your food. Oh my God, this is so delicious. So it is so delicious. So tell me, are you going to be trying this recipe? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe again. Okay. Tell me in the comment section, are you going to be trying this out? Tell me, this is so delicious, it's so debut. As you know, I love you and I'ma see you later. Bye bye. See you next time on my video. Make sure you watch to the end. Okay?
Come let's cook, come let's cook, come let's cook. Here in Nell's Kitchen TV, we teach how to cook all African delicacies. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Have you liked, have you shared, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notifications button, we got you, I love you all.